Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I'm gonna make some pizzas at home. Everybody loves pizzas loaded with lots of veggies, cheese, and simplicity. When we can't go out in this lockdown time, why not make pizzas at home? Come with me. I will share my step-by-step recipe with you so that you can go back, try your own versions, and then share it with me. I add some capsicum, nicely sauteed them in olive oil. What I'm going to add next is some cabbage. And I'm going to cook this together now. So I've added some tomatoes into it. Cabbage were already sweating. Once they start to leave this water, you can add tomatoes to it. I will now lightly season my veggies with some salt, black pepper, oregano, chili flakes, some fresh herbs, and then I will take them off the heat because I don't want them to leave all the water because the quantity would shrink and the veggies would lose their crunch. Alright, so keep it simple, high flame, slow cooking, like for less than 3 to 4 minutes, and off the heat. And that's how your veggies should look. What I have is with me 4 bases. I'm going to make pizzas for 4 people, and I also have some processed cheese. Alright, and I'm going to show you to assemble the pizza now. What I have with me is some tomato sauce, nice and thick. I'm going to spread it all around the pizza base. You can either buy from the market or you can make your own pizza sauce. I prefer making homemade whenever I have time. Like this one is made in-house, that's why it is so thick. I'm going to share the recipe very soon. So usually what I take, fresh tomatoes, I boil them, then put them off the heat, and then I puree them. Then I saute some shallots, some garlic, some oregano, put these puree inside it and cook them for a while. For flavor, I sometimes add a little bit of HP sauce or a WC sauce. Both of them sometimes, salt and pepper, and then cook them for a while. You can also add a lot of herbs to it. You can add basil stems to it. You can add. So that's the sauce on the base. I prefer to do it at home because it's always fresh to make tomato sauce from fresh tomatoes and herbs, onion, garlic, and lots of seasoning into it. But if you want, you can also buy it from the market. Yep. I've added my veggies on the top and some nice tomatoes on the top. Now this will be loaded with lots of cheese. Now that is what I am looking for. Lots of goodness onto one nice base. And that's how our pizza looks like after it has been baked. 130 to 140 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Garnish with some fresh basil leaves. Ta-da! Isn't it?